पयाला नमन हो करीतो वंदन पयाला नमन हो पयाला नमन
विस कटली हरा आम्ही एक फुले आज गज गौरीवर सवारी डुले आज गज गौरीवर सवारी डुले लहान मुलं मुली जमुनची मुकाली लहान मुलं मुली जमुनची मुकाली खेळ भातुकलीचा खेळताना नकली खेळ भातुकलीचा खेळताना नकली अकलेच्या चिखलात नेत्र फुले अकलेच्या चिखलात नेत्र फुले
गणपती आला नाचून गेला नटवार पार मांगराला रे नटवार पार मांगराला गणपती आला नाचून गेला रे गणपती आला नाचून गेला अरे हो पयाला
गजर माऊलीचा गजर गजर माऊलीचा गजर माऊली 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 माऊली
माझ्या धाव आई गंबाबाई हा केला माझ्या धाव भरलाय तुझा मांड आई गोंधळाला याव 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 तुझं अंबिका तुझं रेणुका तुझं अंबिका तुझं रेणुका तुझं कालिका तुझं चंडिका तुझं कालिका तुझं चंडिका आधी माया शक्ती रूप तुझं धाव आधी माया शक्ती रूप तुझं धाव भरलाय तुझा मांड आई गोंधळाला याव 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 तुझं करीशी मातीचं सोनं तुझं करीशी मातीचं सोनं तुझ्या सारखी जगी नाही ग कोण तुझ्या सारखी जगी नाही ग कोण मनी तुझ्या माया आणि बंधू भाव मनी तुझ्या माया आणि बंधू भाव भरलाय तुझा मांड आई गोंधळाला याव 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 भरलाय तुझा मांड सुटली माझी वेणी पाय मी नव्हते भानात सुटली माझी वेणी बाई मी नव्हते भानात अन काळूबाईचं वार माझ्या भरलंय अंगात 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 भराला माझं वार टिपूर टाक संबळावर भराला माझं वार टिपूर टाक संबळावर मान द्या लवकर अंग कापतया थरथर मान द्या लवकर अंग कापतया थरथर सुटला माझा बुचडा पाय मी नव्हते भानात सुटला माझा बुचडा पाय मी नव्हते भानात अन काळूबाईचं वार माझ्या भरलंय अंगात 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 काळूबाईचं वार माझ्या भरलंय अंगात
येळकोट येळकोट सदानंदाचा वाघ्या मुरळी भांडारा उधळीत वाघ्या मुरळी भांडारा उधळीत येऊन तुझ्या दरबारी येऊन तुझ्या दरबारी ये सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी ये सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी भक्तांचा कैवारी भानुम्हाळ साराणी त्याची सुंदरी स्वारी तयाची येते गडावर स्वारी तयाची येते गडावर आपल्याच घोड्यावरी ए सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी ए सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
त्राता भक्तांचा तुझ खंडेराया त्राता भक्तांचा तुझ खंडेराया बड जेजुरी आलो तुझी पाहाया गुन्हेगारा बघा मिराया गुन्हेगारा बघा मिराया सुख मिळो संसारी हे सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी हे सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
येळकोट गरजती देवाच्या नावानं येळकोट गरजती देवाच्या नावानं भक्त देवाचं ढोलती आनंदान कृपादृष्टी सदा राहावी कृपादृष्टी सदा राहावी जागरण कोणी करी हे सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी हे सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
मुरळी नाचती तालावरी मुरळी नाचती तालावरी वाघ्या गातो या तुम्हीच्या ठेप्यावरी एका झटक्याचा लंगर तोडितो जेवून ललकारी ए सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी ए सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी सोन्याची जेजुरी गडाला 9 लाख पायरी
Om Shri Sai Ram. Swami, the Bal Vikas students and the youth wing of the Shri Satya Sai Seva Organization, City of Mumbai, State of Maharashtra and Goa, on this auspicious occasion of Ashadi Ekadashi, present before you a musical entitled The Divine Car Rally. In the journey of life, man today is indeed riding the highway of stupendous achievements in science and technology and ever-increasing material comforts. But still, man is unable to reach his final destination, that of self-realization. To get there, man will have to give up the dangerous, accident-prone cars of ahankar and mamakar, that is, ego and attachment. Only then will man become worthy of your miraculous grace as chamatkar. He will then become humble in salutation or namaskar, and he will become ready to imbibe the 5 human values through sanskar. And when man applies these 5 human values in loving service or paropkar, only then will he finally arrive at his ultimate destination, that of Sakshatkar, with you, our divine Lord and Master, Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. So, Swami, here we are, the Bal Vikas children and the youth wing of the Shri Satya Sai Seva Organization, city of Mumbai, state of Maharashtra and Goa. On the occasion of our Shadi Ekadashi, we present before thee the most sublime ride of the universe, the divine car rally. Jai Sai Ram.
Narayana, Narayana. What a beautiful highway. What great technology. At the turn of the millennium, man has built this beautiful highway. It's a great achievement for him. One more laurel for him to be proud about. But alas, despite all this technology, dear angel, man is not able to reach his destination. Isn't it sad, angel?
Yes, Narad. This is the biggest problem that man on the brink of the 21st century faces. There are lovely roads and so many beautiful cars, but not one of them helps him to reach his real destination.
I've just spent 5 lakhs for this car. And see the sorry state of this car. How will I ever reach my destination at the end of this highway with this steering wheel in my hands? Doors have fallen apart and the engine is smoking away to glory. Who will ever help me to reach my destination? I don't know. Oh, I better use my mobile phone and see if I can call some workshop to help me out. Hello? Hello? I'm on the I-to-He highway and my car has given way. Can you send someone to help me?
Oh, yes, sir. We'll be there in a short while. Don't worry, sir. To help you is our pleasure.
Sir, your car has fallen apart. Oh! The steering wheel is out. The tires are totally gone. And as for the engine, I don't think we can do much about it.
Quack, 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 quack.
You can't repair this car. It's impossible. Anyway, we'll have to tow it to the workshop.
Did you see that, Angel? This is typically a car called Ahamkar. The brakes have failed. So obviously, the risk of accidents is very great. Fights and disputes are on the rise. Clash of egos is imminent. And look at those doors. These doors either open or close. If they open, they just don't close. And if they close, that is to say, if they are stuck up, they just don't open. Dear Angel, the truth is that no one is ready to listen or accept another person's point of view. Just look at those tires also. They're totally bald. They're all stressed out. A little pinprick and they go flat. The ego is hurt and tempers flare. And as for those lights, they just don't work. There is only darkness, ignorance. And as for that steering wheel, look at that. It comes off into man's hands. It doesn't leave man, even for once. Having taken this prime seat, he just doesn't want to let it go. You know that famous quotation? It's like Kissa Kursi Ka. Don't you know that, Angel? Narayana, Narayana.
No brakes,
No brakes.
lives are at stake.
Lives are at stake.
The engine that's not said, and the horn which merely trumpets. No brakes,
No brakes.
lives are at stake.
Lives are at stake.
The engine that's not said, and the horn which merely trumpets. Lights are on the blink, exhaust raises a sting. Lights are on the blink,
Blink, blink.
exhaust raises a sting. We all own this car, the car called Ahamkar.
Oh, what a lousy car. Look at my car. My car is so beautiful. This is my car. I'll show you how it feels to drive my beautiful car. It's not starting.
Starting problems. So you see, Angel, this ahamkar is always followed by this other car. For man, you know, is constantly worried about my wife, my children, my property, my house, my, everything is mine. This other car which you see, Angel, is called Mama car.
Sir, the garage is a long way from here. I don't think you will be able to walk so much, sir. Your car also has starting problems. Shall we take it to the garage also?
I know. But I am not going to trust my car with anyone. It may be a little troublesome, but I'm going to drive it myself to the garage. Only request, sir, if your boys can push my car a bit, I'll be able to manage the rest.
I wish someone drives down here. Oh God, please help me to reach my destination. My car is broken down and I'm helpless. Oh, a taxi! My problems are solved. But, where is the driver? My God, how is it moving? I hope it's not a figment of my imagination.
I'm here. In fact, I am everywhere. Only you are not able to see me. Trust me. Come, sit inside. You don't have to pay anything right now for the drive. I will take you to your destination on this royal highway of I to He.
A car without a driver? I can't believe my eyes.
Don't look surprised, Angel. This prepaid taxi is called Chamatkar. When man is in trouble because of his ego and attachment, he is rendered helpless. It is only in these moments of desperation that he turns to our Lord for help. And you know, Angel, our Lord never fails. He descends with his visiting card, a miracle. A chamatkar happens in every man's life. This is the turning point in his life. It seems that our man here has done some good in the past, and that is bearing fruits now. Narayana, Narayana.
Ah, today my problem is solved. God has come to my rescue. He has truly performed a chamatkar. At least I can reach the garage. What a car! This is chamatkar. I feel like sitting in this car again and again. I wish I could have a car like this with brakes and lights that work and an engine that purrs silently and is so smooth. I'd like to own a car like that.
Sir, I think I can help you with a new car that will fit your requirements since your old car Ahamkar is irreparable. But I'm afraid to own this new car, you will have to take some driving lessons. Only when you qualify can you buy the new car. The Satyasai driving school will help you to brush up your driving by practicing on their training car called Namaskar. Are you willing to take some lessons, sir?
Yes, sir.
नमस्कार माझा गुरुदेवाला नमस्कार माझा विद्या मंदिराला नमस्कार माझा या ज्ञान मंदिराला हो आम्ही नीतिवंत कलागुणी बुद्धिवंत हो आम्ही नीतिवंत कलागुणी बुद्धिवंत नावने बैल तिरी दया सागरा नावने बैल तिरी दया सागरा दया सागरा ज्ञान मंदिरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा सत्यं शिवं सुंदरा हो आम्ही प्रेममय हो आम्ही शांतिप्रिय हो आम्ही प्रेममय हो आम्ही शांतिप्रिय विनयशील हो आम्ही दया सागरा विनयशील हो आम्ही दया सागरा दया सागरा ज्ञान मंदिरा
Well, Angel, how do you like this car? This car Namaskar is a training car. It has a guide and 2 brakes and even 2 clutches. By practicing on this car, man learns self-control and gains self-confidence, which you know, Angel, is the first step to self-realization.
This car, Namaskar, is absolutely safe. It is very easy to practice on this car. Now, you are fit to take a driving test, and when you qualify, you surely can buy the car of your dreams.
You seem to drive quite well, but you will have to answer some questions. Ready?
How do we solve a problem like Ahamkar? What will we do to get rid of our Mamakar? How do we find a way out of these vices? They're obstacles to self-realization. We get conceited, ever ready to show off. Me and mine are all that we can think of. But how can we be free to tread the path to thee and reach the feet of Almighty? So, how do we solve the problem like Ahamkar? How do we get rescue. It's the only way to start our life anew. Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema is the pathway to Ahimsa. Hand in hand we march on to our destination. Humility makes us serve, fills our heart with selfless love, makes us worthy of Almighty's great love. This is called Chamatkar. If we practice Namaskar, takes us near to, leads us on to Samskar. So here's a way to get rid of Ahankar. Yes it is. Here's a way to get rid of Ahankar. For this will make us free. Surely it will be, and take us to His lotus feet.
Congratulations! You have qualified, sir. You can now purchase your own dream car.
Thank you. But I don't have enough money to buy my dream car. I'll have to get a car purchase finance loan. Let me first go and return this car and find out the details of any scheme of loans that they can suggest. Sir, I want to buy my own car, but I don't have enough money. Do you know of any car purchase finance scheme?
Oh, of course. I forgot to mention to you that the Satya Sai World Bank does offer a car finance scheme. This scheme is meant for men like you. Why don't you visit them, sir?
Can I help you, sir?
Yes, I need a loan to buy a car. What schemes do you offer, sir?
We can help you out with a scheme called 1:10. In this scheme, you bring in only 9% and we will give you 90%, not as a loan, but as free subsidy. The balance 1% is the discount offered.
9%? I don't even have that.
Oh, don't worry, sir. We have a scheme for that too. You follow our scheme diligently and you will get 9%.
How can that be? It's rather amazing. Anyway, let me have the details of your scheme, sir.
This scheme is called the 9-point scheme.
My little angel, do you know what the 9 points are?
Oh yes, Narad. Isn't it the 9 points of the code of conduct given by our Lord to mankind in the Kali Yuga?
Narayana, Narayana. The 9 points of the code of conduct are simply daily meditation and prayer, devotional singing and prayer with the members of the family once a week, participation in Bal Vikas programs, attending at least once a month a group devotional program, participating in community service, regular study of Sai literature, speaking softly and lovingly to everyone, avoiding speaking ill of others, especially in their absence, and practicing the divine principle of sealing on desires.
And what is that 1% discount offered?
Narayana, Narayana. As for the 1% discount, dear angel, this is sheer grace, Anugraha.
But sir, to avail of the 1% discount, there is only one condition. You have to give up your old car, Ahankar.
Sure, it's all yours. it hasn't helped me at all.
Well then, here are the necessary scheme papers for you to go ahead with, owning the car of your dreams. Good luck to you, sir.
Sir, as you have fulfilled all the conditions, we have a bonus offer for you. Not only are you eligible for the car of your dreams, Sanskar, but along with it, we offer you a free trailer called Paropkar. This will make your travel more satisfying and meaningful on life's journey.
Sir, why don't you join me for my first run on this car?
I'd love to, but you go ahead, sir.
Pani sa ni re ni sa, pani sa ni ga sa re, pani sa ni re ni sa, pani sa ni ga sa re. कारों की इस दौड़ में पीछे रह जाते हैं, अहंकार ममकार नाम की कारें जो दौड़ाते हैं। कारों की इस दौड़ में पीछे रह जाते हैं, अहंकार ममकार नाम की कारें जो दौड़ाते हैं। पानी सा नि रे नि सा, पानी सा नि गा सा रे, पानी सा नि रे नि सा, पानी सा नि गा सा रे। प्राण भरी इस सड़क पर मोड़ नहीं कोई आए, सत्य धर्म की छाव में राही चैन से जाते। संस्कार में जीवन जिसका, परोपकार है जिसका है, पलक झपकते ही वो राही मंजिल पे आ जाते हैं।
ऐसे प्राणी को आशीष देने आते हैं स्वयं भगवान, आते हैं स्वयं भगवान, आते हैं स्वयं भगवान।
So you see, angel, more than the Navagrahas, the constellation of stars in man's horoscope, man must strive to earn anugraha, the divine grace of the Lord Master himself. This will help him move with greater speed, ease and safety on life's journey. But for this, man does not need to wait till he is old and dying. In fact, there is a famous saying, start early, drive slowly and reach safely. But only if man will pay attention to this. He must start now. The present is omnipresent. It is through Paropkar, doing community seva and seeing God in all, that man can reach his ultimate and final destination.
I am quite happy with this car, though it's not quite exactly the car of my dreams. But sir, tell me, is there something like an ultimate car? And if there is, who is the owner of that car?
Oh, of course. There is such a car, and I even know who owns it. Do you want to really meet him? Come, I'll show you the way.
కారులతో చేరిన కారుల ప్రయాణము, సహకారముతో కూడి శ్రీకారము చేరు, ఓంకారమయమైన కారుల ప్రయాణము.
गरुडवाहनमदी मयूरवाहनमदी सिंह साक्षात्कारमदी ज्योतिस्वरूपमदी निराकार परब्रह्मतो गूढिन नित्य सत्य निर्मलाकारमदी अदी साक्षात्कारमु अदी परब्रह्म स्वरूपमु आनन्दं महानन्दं
Here he is, the divine Lord himself, the final goal on the I to He highway, the ultimate destination on life's journey. And this beautiful car that he owns is none other than Sakshatkar.
Wow! What a car! Verily the ultimate car on life's journey. But look at the master. Look at the master. The car is nothing before the master. Now, I don't even want that car. I want the master himself, the divine master himself. The master, the master, the master.
Life is a journey from I to He. Life is a journey from man to God. We have come from the Lord, and it's time that we trod on the road to eternity. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. Let us merge inside. Ahankar brings our own downfall. Mamakar binds us forever to this world. When sighs here to guide and is ever by our side, we are sure to be freed of them all. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. Let us merge inside. Chamatkar lures us to His glory. Namaskar serves as the guiding pole. When we have sanskar and we serve one and all, it will lead us to Sakshatkar. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. We are the children of Lord's side. Let us march inside. Let us march inside. Let us march inside.
साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्।
जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक कर्ति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदैवं वलियं नीवे स्वामी वलियं नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगलारती अंधुक मंगलारती अंधुक मंगलगिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु शांति शांति शांति
जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई